Hello, this is Margaret Munoz. Affirmations are positive self-statements. The thing is, you may have noticed when you say something like, I am rich and beautiful, a little voice in your head goes, no, you're not. Because we don't believe what we're saying to ourselves, and that sets up a contradiction. What we can do is make a choice, which immediately puts us back in control. So I invite you to tap along with me while saying some choices to help you feel more powerful and inspired. You can say them without tapping, but tapping really helps them to take root. So off we go. Tap in your favorite spots while repeating after me. I choose to flow with life. I choose to know that life loves me. I choose to know the universe is a friendly place. I choose to know that all of life is organizing around my success. I choose to be ageless and unlimited. I choose to live in alignment with my values. I choose to receive unexpected gifts. I choose to receive all gifts freely and completely. I choose to heal my heart and fill it with love. I choose to love myself and be surrounded by love. I choose for doors to open for me wherever I go. I choose to know my mission in life. I choose to materialize my desires. I choose to experience inner joy. I choose to live on purpose. I choose to receive all the wealth and joy that the universe offers. I choose to accept money as my friend. I choose to have inner strength. I choose to have personal power. I choose to feel peaceful and calm. I choose to have all the energy I need to accomplish my goals. I choose to be inspired and meet inspiring people. I choose to have jurisdiction over my decisions. I choose to breathe life into new creations. I choose to ask for what I want. I choose to create what is authentically mine. I choose to know I am always enough. I choose self-acceptance. I choose to know that everything is always working out for me. I choose to expect miracles. And finally, I choose to celebrate myself and my greatness. You may want to do these when you first wake up in the morning and again before you go to bed at night, so the choice is reinforced and enters into the subconscious mind. Have fun with this.